Think you have to be an expert to start making money online? You don't. Let me explain. Hey everybody, this is Elizabeth Quest and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to talk about why you don't need to be an expert to start making money online. Most people wait until they feel ready to sell something. The truth is, you only need to be one step ahead of someone. That's it. If you learn how to create a digital product online, you can actually set it up in Payhip or even use Canva. And there is somebody who's Googling that right now on how to do that exactly. People aren't really buying your expertise. They're actually buying your shortcuts. They want a cheat sheet, a checklist, a done for you template. The thing that saves people time. You don't need to know everything. You just need to show them what you learned and how to do it. So, here's your next step. Think of one thing you figured out. It could be how to make a product on Canva, how to price an Etsy item, how to make your first $10 online. Turn that into a simple PDF, guide, or video tutorial, and that's it. That is actually your first digital product. And yes, it's good enough to sell. If you want to get started on making money online from home, but you're overwhelmed or you don't know where to start, grab my free ebook in the description. It's packed with tools, tips, and resources to help you skip the guesswork and start today. Even if you're not an expert yet, don't wait to be an expert. Start with what you know already. Help someone who's a step behind and build from there. That's how you grow. That's how you get paid. So see you on the next one.